Come here. Close to me. Stand up. Come over here. Now sit. Now sit. Get away from my pocket. No. Oh. Are you good? Are you going to take it gently? No biting. Gentle. Up. Up. Gentle. See it? Gentle. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. No. No. Did I say you could have it? Now you can have it. Thank you. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl.
She's ready to flip to her side. Look.
What a good girl. Oh, no. You don't have to lay down. Get up. Now, sit. Sit. Just up.
I taught her up, so that was good.
Sit.
No, okay. Ma.
What?
This is sit.
Oh,
this is down.
Oh, sit.
Okay, so now you have to tell her.
Up.
And then just sit. Yes.
What a good girl. What a good girl. You gotta wait. We have to wait. Now, you want it, you gotta take it gentle. Understand? Not. Wait. Okay. That's mine.
Oh, Grandma.
See how good she did that, though?
Who's a good girl? Who's a
She
good
let
girl?
Grandma take that right back out of her mouth.
Who's a good
Not a
girl?
problem.
Who's a good girl?
She likes when you rub her, when you put her ears.
Who's a good girl?
And oh, she
Who's
loves
a good
that.
girl? Who's a very good girl? Yeah. That's it.
She's checking your pocket. You know that.
Nope,
right?
it's
There you
empty.
go.